Hello, good morning, Americans. This is Jeff. We are here for the live trading session. Today is Friday, the 9th of January. There was some high impact news just few minutes ago, I think almost 1 hour ago. It was, I think, non-farm employment change. It was positive because I think because of Christmas, the high season, New Year, that's why I think it was good. So the first maybe like pre-market, the price rallies, I think almost 300 points. I'm not sure if the price will just continue making new all-time high, or there will be some fake out again and push to the downside. Actually, we still did not reach the all-time high. There was some huge sell-off from the all-time high. I think that was from the New Year, the last day of the trading. Then we rallied again. This is in the gold. Let's check Dow Jones. Yeah, it's giving back all the move. And the market will open in 3 minutes. There is no news by the open, but maybe after 30 minutes there will be a news. So this is a 4-hour chart. I think the news actually only the first 15 minutes was positive and the market start jumping off cliff. So I'm not sure what we are going to trade today. Let me just have a look on the overall. It looks like some broken head and shoulders. Second shoulder is a little bit higher than the first. It might be this is breakout above the shoulder as continuation, but maybe the price will just go down. But let's see the reaction of the price at the open. The market closed yesterday at it. Yeah, the closing was very positive. That was 49,358. Price today was just consolidating and broke above the high of yesterday. And right now actually we are trading below the price of closing. Just have some kind of line in here, and this looks so hard. Hopefully there will be less volatility, just some nice clean move, and we might see some distribution today because as I said, this huge movements needs to have some kind of taking profits. Market is on. I'm not going to enter right now. The volatility is still so high because of the news. Maybe let's give it like 3-4 minutes just to cool down, and we might decide. Yeah, we are approaching the high of yesterday. Yesterday was very bullish. This is the open of yesterday. Price rally is like 570 and closes at the high of the high. If you look at the candle of like one day, it's very, very bullish. But the problem when you see that the price closed at its high, there is high probability that price next day will collapse, the same as I predicted in this huge candle. I was actually my direction here was short. So let's see. And if the price managed to stay above, we can go long at least to this high here. 604. Let's see, 610. That's the all-time high. But let's see. Only 2 minutes from the open. And actually the first movement was a huge 150 points almost. So let's just try to control the risk. Actually today I'm down 40, or let's say 50 with I traded or scalped some gold in the morning. And let's try to trade well this session. Actually this first 5 minutes is very strong. But it might be just some kind of manipulation. Actually the price reversed exactly from the pre-market reverse, which is not a good signal. Means there will be a lot of liquidity here up. If the sellers really want to fill up big orders to the downside, they should poke this level at least like maybe 10-20 points before the price continues down. Actually here in the 1 minute, maybe price just reverse and revisit the high of yesterday. It was a good signal for a long actually. It's nice long, but I'm not sure the entire week was trending. The moves was really huge, so we might see just some choppy market today. It's Friday, so that's why I'm really not sure how can I trade today. Am I going just to trade the range in market? Because the entire week was just huge swings. So maybe by Friday the people will start to close their weekly positions, so we can see some range. Let's see how much my risk to the upside here, 46. Divided by 2, that's around $20. Okay. First 5 minutes already done. Thinking to take a short. Let's see if we can revisit some level here overnight. Thinking I will just be patient, wait for this liquidity sweep here at the top. You just waste one bullet for nothing. Just close this trade. Actually, the fail price was very ugly, so let's just go maybe short just above this first bar, and then we'll go on full contract. I can get some entry on the 1 minute. Need to see some rejection from here, and my stop loss will be so tiny. Just need a little spike to the upside. Price was here, exact 452. If we go like 455, then the price goes below 452, then I will go short with, oh shit, so fast. It's okay. Maybe I will just reduce my size again. I'm short here. My stop will be just above a bit here. Hopefully will not hand my stop right now. Maybe just give me a chance. Just some chopping to the downside, if you don't mind. I think the price is going to chase the stops above this pre-market price, maybe. Because when price rejects exactly from the same price, it's not looking really good. Except if it will fake to the downside and go up. Might go below some like overnight range or something, then go to the upside. And if I see some closing, strong closing here, maybe I will add another contract, hopefully, and just target the same take profit. This looks like a flag. Hopefully we can have some closing back here. You can see the flag here. And it's getting defended actually. Getting protected by the bulls. But any closing below here, hopefully it will just revisit this low. It's the last day of the week. I don't know, maybe people will start taking profits because you really don't know what's going to happen during the weekend. The situation actually in Iran, in Lebanon, in Syria, in Venezuela, everywhere is a big mess. So maybe I will just add half contract. Same take profit, just slow here. Create a small spike to the downside and oh, push hard. I did not feel my orders. Yes, that's good. First scalp was successful. And we are back to the overnight range. Let's skip this. Let's remove this level. I am thinking that price will really run a little bit down, maybe then rally back again after this 5 minutes. I will go long actually. Still have 1 minute and a half, and immediately after this candle will close, I will go long because I'm expecting choppy, very choppy market, lots of volatility. I will just go maybe half contract as well. And maybe target another 50 points, half contract, so it will be just okay. Or I will just let's go full contract, and that will be my last trade. And my stop loss actually will be very, very, very tiny. Immediately if it went the opposite side or against me, I will get out. So we have 10 more seconds. And I really want to see this red candle like full without wick. Yeah, that's beautiful. Here and buy. I'll just revisit this high in here. My stop will be just maybe somewhere under here. Let's see. And my cursor actually will be into closing the position. Yeah, I think there will be some manipulation to the downside to grab liquidity from the overnight range, below the overnight range. But I wasn't that much patient to wait for the setup to complete. But perfect entry actually is before, like below the overnight. But hopefully price will go back again give a few points and we are out. Sorry. Yeah, actually we look just for like 30 points or something like that. More sellers are coming in. Thinking, let's give it a little bit of space actually. I haven't actually, I just have like $50. If the price move my direction only like 20 points, I will move the stop loss to break even. That's good. Hopefully it will push one more time. Let's go to the 1 minute. Oh, price is pushing back. Just give it. Manually maybe close above this, or just put my take profit. Whatever. This is high volatility. Oh fuck. Sorry. Close by 5. And you will go all the way to my TP and beyond. Hey, Groby, sorry bro, I was really stressed with this high volatility. I didn't see your high. How are you, man? Missing you always. How is everything? All good? How was your week? Yeah, that's good. Even for me, the week was good. Entire week was positive. I still did not get any losing day, luckily. And today I'm up just very little, like $17. Yeah, slowly but steady. It's okay, bro. No rush in trading, actually. It's okay if you are swing. Swing trading needs patience, lot of patience. I don't have that actually. That's why for me, swing trading is impossible. I'm almost down to the 5-minute chart, which is sick. Yeah, I took very long break. I had just some like technical issues with my setup and stuff. I was not able to go live for all the trades, and it was good for the first week of the year. Positive, that's good signal, but we need to keep it. We need to keep the good job. 28 points. I can see there is some big volume in this previous candle. Just wait maybe for one more pullback, then I will go long again. Did not pull back. Yeah, the volatility is really high. And I think for today I still have only one single trade. So it is the here one, 2, 3, 4. I already had 4 trades, and my max per session is 5 trades. So this will be my last position. So let's use it wisely. Hopefully we can get like 20-30 points. Let's have some small. Hopefully the price will go a little bit down here. I have a plan. Maybe something like this. Actually, December, you know, it's really hard to trade. It's easy to manipulate by the guys who left, because the majority of hedge funds, constitutional money, banks, so everyone is on vacation. So the guys who stayed and algos, they are manipulating the market left and right. That's why it's really hard to trade it. So let's see the reaction. That's why last year was, we just, you know, warming up. Because for me personally, it's been some time, like a few months I was not trading. So to go back on track, I started in December just to warm up. And now we are back. Hopefully some fake out here, then we'll go short. That will target just this level here. Actually, we have 5 minutes to the news again. I think we have prelim, UM, consumer sentiment, and inflation expectation. I'm not sure if I am allowed to trade news or no with this funded account. We just find out. I think they have some rules of like 5 minutes before and after the news. Just make sure. think my latency is just huge. Maybe, I'm not sure, but whatever. Actually, my laptop is not really made for this streaming and gaming and stuff. Oh, it hits exactly my plan. Revisit the high of the day, like not the pre-market but the overnight. Then go back to this line I drawn. I was expecting price maybe to visit, then again back. I think the news for trading news for this funded account, I think for the challenge phase is possible. Okay, so there is no restrictions, but I prefer not to trade the news. I will just maybe get like small scalp. I told you my last trade. Hopefully, I can have good entry, and I will catch like maybe 20-30 points. That will be more than enough for this week. Yeah, the announcement will be in 1 minute. Actually, I'm expecting the market to go lower, because as we said, we still have a lot of liquidity here. The one above here, it was already traded, but this exact level, it was resistance here, then it becomes support. I think the price might revisit this level around, let's say, 49,200. And actually we are above the overnight range, or let's call it the high of yesterday. Any pull below, I will go short. But this is actually the same time with the news announcement. It's no big deal. Consumer sentiment is a little bit like 0.5 above the forecast. and the inflation expectation it's at same as the forecast. So and it's still high, 4.2, way above the 2% of target of Jerome Powell. Yeah, I know, but maybe I will buy some PC just for this streaming and stuff, because I had my laptop. It works very well actually for just myself, MT5, but for streaming, I think you need some really high graphic card and some processor. It's okay to have good processor here as well, but I think I need some huge graphic card, hopefully soon. Okay, let's go down to the 1 minute, because actually I'm planning to just take small scalp and run away. So I have one trade, as I said. I'm very strict with my trade count, my daily loss, my consecutive losses. So right now I have one bullet left in this session. I should use it wisely. Well, this 1 minute will close below the high. Stop pushing. I need the pullback right now. A few more seconds. One push to the upside and I will go short. Hopefully at least to this level here. Oh, bro, you keep on just going down lower and lower. And I can't even divide my position because I have only one left. I think it to go like half. And if the price pulled back, then I will go half. Let's see this spot here. Okay, let's try to find a good target for this trade. Okay, let's go to this 38 point of Fibonacci. Actually, this will be the perfect pump and dump setup. But I really need some good entry above. I don't want to be squeezed. Okay, let's just maybe go half contract, and my target will be a little bit far. I will maybe target 50% yesterday. Actually, we already poked the overnight. I just want to bet on this pump and dump setup. Pump, coil and dump. Hopefully we'll see some follow-up at least to the 50% FIBO. They call it FIB. Okay, let's just reduce. I have already. Alright, let's remove the high here. The breakout from here will really be a run up. But I'm not really, I don't have much expectation from this position because it's Friday. We can see just some chopping, maybe. But if we see run to the downside, that would be good. But we have many levels to break on the last day of the week, so it's not always easy. But let's hope. Hello and welcome. I think we have another visitor here, another viewer. Please say hi. Actually, my target is like 100 points to the downside, which is, I think, too much for Friday. Also, after this choppy market here, I think the big guys already went out of positions, and maybe they already cover if they are going to cover. So I think the price is going to the Fibonacci level. And if I close here, I can open another trade. So hopefully we'll just go through without resistance. That will it will be good. Some buyers came in. I think it's just some other choppy day. Yeah, there was a lot of resistance. It was actually the overnight low with the Fibonacci retracement of the yesterday move was almost close to each other's. Also, it's big levels. So I think the price will just squeeze me up. So luckily my position is comfortable. So I'm not really stressed. Let's go back to our 5 minutes. And actually we see some increase in the volume in this level. This is somehow signal for continuation. But in Friday, as we said, not everyone takes risks for breakouts and new trends. So the majority are just getting out and in from their weekly trades or swing trades. So we can see just chopping all day and no real trend I think will develop. We can notice it actually for this news. We have two high impact news today and the price just rally 170, goes down 200, 300. So I'm thinking just to get rid of this position if did not produce some fruits in the next maybe 5 minutes or 4 minutes. If I don't see some follow up to the downside, I will just close this position and have a good weekend. Let's go to the smaller time frame. Yeah, I think I have some profit perfection stuff running, so it stopped me out to keep at least my tally day. It's okay. Thank you for being here, and I will see you next week. Actually, it was a good week. We are up like 690. It's my first day actually, if I include the fees. I traded gold, so I am just rate at 0.62, but in reality it's like $10. So the entire week was positive every day except today. It's negative 0.62. I'm happy with that, so maybe this weekend will give me some refreshment so we can start next week very good. And take care, guys. Have a happy weekend. Yeah, I always talk about Telegram. Give me a second, stay with me. We will do it right now. We still have time. At how to create new group. Would you like to add? I will send you my Telegram. Can you find me? Once you add me, then we can make like group. I really don't know how to create right now a group, but I will find out. Just find me for now. I don't know if you can find me by phone number. Give me a second. Can you try to send me a message in this username? And I think we have a silent viewer. I think our bullbox. Yeah, try to send me a message. Maybe I will. They have some privacy stuff. I'm not sure if you can find me by phone number. Yeah, find it. Create channel. Let's call it DC Trades. I also created somehow a page. Yes, God, you. Let me invite you. Let me first have a small, or it's okay, let's call it a day. Now I need to figure out how to add people into this group. To send you invitation. I'm really old guy tech. Actually, it's public. I will send it to you, then you can just have a. You can just add yourself. Okay, can you? Okay. Yeah, I got your message. I will message you in a while because my dog is a little bit hungry. I need to feed him and take him for a quick walk. Then we will chat. Yeah, take care. Take care. Thank you for being here. And for the silent viewer, you can also join the group. It's free. Thank you. Take care. Take care.